So this will be a quick video. I'll show you very quickly using Google Gemini how can you use simple web apps, and that is very simple nowadays, but if you have any such requirement, this can be really helpful. You can see currently I'm in Google Gemini console. So this is the link gemini.google.com/app. I'll add the link in the description below, and there you can see that this is the console. I don't have a paid plan. This is a normal free plan, and there you can use Gemini 2.5 Pro plan with certain limitations. But let me use one simple prompt to generate a simple web app to see that how it's working. We are not expecting very complex and huge thing here, but we are just checking that can it generate some simple web apps using the free account which we can use in our day-to-day life. If I just paste this particular prompt, create a task tracking app, and then if I click on submit, then it will start working. And earlier I tried this particular option and it worked fine. Let's see that at this time how it generates. Currently you can see it's thinking, and we can also see that thinking process. It's preparing the plan that how it will work, and now you can see it started generating that code. And using this code, it will build that particular application and let it complete, and then we'll be able to see. Normally it takes 2 to 3 minutes to generate based on the complexity of the program we are asking. You can already see that it's now written nearly 300 lines of code. Once this is generated, then we'll be able to test it out. So while it's generating the code, one small announcement. My ChatGPT course is now live on Skillshare. I added one link in the description below. Check out that link if you are interested. Okay, so it's generated the application. Now we can test it here. So if I just type here task 1 and I add the task, okay, it added to the to-do, task 2 and then task 3. So this is now created. So if I just try to move, if I do, yes, it's working. And if I just click it, when I am putting it on done, then it's added some additional animation also. So if I move maybe another task, let's see, yeah, that animation is still there. So it is working fine. Now what we can do, if I click on share and I click on this particular icon, then I'll be getting a link. Now this is the link using which anyone can utilize this particular software. So if I click on it, okay, allow for now. If I click on it and then I paste it in a different tab, and there let's see if I can get it. Yeah, it's saying that this app was created by someone else, so be cautious. And then this is the application. So here we'll be able to utilize it. Now if you have your own website and there maybe you want to host some of the simple apps, maybe a calculator, maybe a GST calculator, maybe some other tools, anything you want to build, this is the way you can generate the code. And using this particular option, you can copy that code and you can deploy it in your own website, right? So that's the way you can do. So this is one simple thing I thought of showing in this video, that how can you generate simple web app using Google Gemini. Currently I'm using this free plan, but if you have any such requirement, then you can maybe upgrade it for a month or so, and you can generate all of your applications and whatever you have in your wish list. So let me know in the comments below that what do you think, that will it be useful or not. I have also published another video where I shown another application using which how can you generate different type of applications including simple games. Check out this video to know everything about it.